In this video, I am going to show you how to buy crypto on Bybit app using Web3. Ensure you have the Bybit app installed on your device and follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Bybit app on your mobile device. On the screen homepage, tap on More to expand the menu options. Select Web3 to enter the Web3 page. Step 2. On the Web3 homepage, look for the Buy Crypto option and tap on it. Alternatively, you can go to the Wallet tab within the app and select Buy Crypto from there to start the purchase process. Step 3. Choose the fiat currency you wish to use for the payment. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Pick the network through which you'd like to receive the crypto and input or choose your wallet address where the cryptocurrency will be sent. Once all details are confirmed, tap on Buy, Proceed. Step 4. Read all the provided information carefully to understand the terms of the transaction. Acknowledge your agreement by Bybit's privacy policy. When you're done, confirm your order by clicking on Confirm. Step 5. Choose your preferred payment method. Options typically include bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and other payment platforms. For payments via bank card and it's your first time, you'll need to enter your card details. After selecting your payment method and providing the necessary information, finalize your purchase by tapping on Buy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.